Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, E, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Let's learn colors name: blue, black, orange, brown, red, light green, sky blue. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A. A for apple. This is letter B. B for ball. Kids, this is letter C. C for cat. C. This is letter D. D for duck. Now we are tracing letter E. E for elephant. Kids, now we are tracing small letter A. A for apple. This is small letter B for ball. Now we are tracing small letter C for cat. Kids, we are tracing small letter D for duck, D for dog. Kids, we are tracing letter E for elephant. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A. A for apple. Kids, this is letter B for bat. This is letter C for cat. Now we are tracing letter D for duck. This is capital letter E for elephant. Kids, this is letter A. Letter B. This is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. Now we are tracing letter C. This is letter D. Kids, this is letter E. E. Kids, read again. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E. Small letters A, B, C, D, E.